What's up, friends? This time I came up with a big news to reveal you, and that is basically I'm going to conduct a beginner guide React Native beginner series from today. I have set up everything where you want to learn as a course outline and a full series of videos. You will be walked through this particular video series. I hope you will learn a lot from this particular video series, and it will be adding good knowledge to your React Native knowledge stack. Welcome to the introduction of React Native training program. So let me walk through the brief introduction of what I'm going to cover up this particular video series. So in this particular video series, it will be mostly focused on to build industry specific skills within you. So let's get into it. What is React Native? I know why are you here, and I know you are here. That's because you know something about React Native. So let me briefly enlighten you with some things. So it is basically one code base. You will be building both iOS, Android simultaneously, and whatever the web technology or basically the JavaScript or TypeScript scripting language, you can actually leverage that particular skill very easily to learn React Native. The app is totally a native feeling, so it's mostly like native mobile application, and it is very fast building, and you can build application really fast rather than writing. So when you write a native application, you have to spend a lot of time to build it, like fixed it up from the ground. Strong community, like this particular React Native, like it actually born child of Facebook, so it has a huge community around right now since long time. Because of that particular community support, it's actually growing day by day. So in this particular introduction video in this particular React Native series, let's talk about what you're going to learn about. So in the episode 1 and 3, so you will be learning the fundamental, basically setting up React Native basics and UI component styling with Flexbox and managing state. That is a so important thing. So you will be learning that thing, and data flows, how you pass props and manage the state. And episode 4 and 6, you will be building interactive app from the ground. So it will be multi-screen navigate. It will have multi-screen navigation, display dynamic list, integrating with external APIs for data. So that is the core part of the app. Every mobile application development, so you need to communicate with external APIs and fetch data and display. So you will be learning those in this particular video series. And episode 7 and 8, you will be learning device and data. So basically how you locally store data, how you manage data, how you accessing native device features like camera and location and permissions. This will be a cool couple of video episodes to you to walk through and learn stuff. So episode 9 and 10, you will be looking at structure and performance of the application. This is a little bit of advanced, and you will learn this is some kind of advanced, and this will includes a lot of professional level practices and industry level standards I'll be following, and I'll be teaching you, and how you organize your code, and how you how you write a code to use it in a usable manner and optimize app performance and avoiding common pitfalls. So in episode 11, you will be learning debugging and deployments of Android, and debugging techniques, and preparing your build, and how you deploy your Android application into as a release. So I'm not going to cover up the iOS deployment, since it needs a little bit of infrastructure. Episode 12, you will be learning mobile application security. So here I'll be discussing with you key security concepts for the mobile application, how you implement the security, how you maintain it, why it is important, and so many other related topics around it. Episode 13, that's will be the final project. So it's up to you to what to pick and whether to do or not. So I'll be walk through you how to structure the project and how you scope it, how you modularize it, and that kind of a scope. And it's up to you to develop, and you can share it to me, so I can review it and give my feedback for you. So in the episode 14, I'll be guiding you to give a career guidance to how you position yourself and how you be the smartest among the smart people. So by your end of this program, you will be able to build a responsive, interactive cross-platform application with proper industry standards and practices, and integrating APIs and managing data, using device features and everything. Write clean and performance and secure React Native code, and you will be an expert of debugging and preparing apps for deployments, and have foundational portfolio projects. So it's up to you. So you will be so confident by end of this particular video series. So that's all about what I'm bringing to you. So let's begin, let's code, let's ask, comment, practice, and share this video among your friends and colleagues. Let's learn React Native series from today.